Cooking with John and Cindy 101. So, John and I aren't the best cooks. So, today we are learning how to cook. Well, we're teaching ourselves. And in order to learn, you have to try it on your own. But since we're just beginners, we're starting with frozen stuff that's already cooked. But, you know, later on, we'll be pros and we'll be making this on our own.
When we make our frozen
So,
stuff, we're going to do customization to it.
yeah. So
We're
John
just gonna make it
over
normal.
here, of course. So John is over here. Look, he's adorable.
Look like I just
He's
woke up.
he's frying some Nathan's fries.
Yeah.
So instead of just putting them in the oven, we're going all out and frying them.
Watch out.
Oh, and he almost killed both of them.
Oh my god.
So these are the fries
Ow, you fuck.
we're using, and John is using that cover thingy. I'm not sure if you're supposed to use that for that.
This is literally what it's made for.
Okay.
You dingus.
Next, I have. So we're using the Friday's potato skins and dino nuggets. So I laid out the dino nuggets over here and the potato skins. And you guys see little bacon bits and cheese on top because what happened was that we found an empty potato skin, and John over here decided that we should sprinkle it on top. So that's what we're gonna do. And can you pass me the cheese, please?
What is it?
Thank you. So now, since we're innovative
Yeah.
and different, and I know it's frozen and it's already made, and we don't want to, you know, copy people, we're making our own recipe. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna open. Do you want to come help me?
No, I'm doing the fries.
I am.
I have to do the fries. You can't leave me.
So I'm opening the cheese. And this is Mexican 4 cheese, by the way. And I'm not Mexican if you thought I was.
I'm going to do this a sketchy ass way.
And I'm going to sprinkle the cheese.
Oh my god.
Sean over there, how you doing?
I'm scared for my life.
And I'm sprinkling the cheese over the bacon bits and the dino nuggets. Baby, you might burn yourself.
I have burnt myself 50 times while I'm doing it.
So sprinkle the cheese. And then here are the potato skins. I'm going to sprinkle more cheese on them.
Yeah, definitely. Yo, that's going to be so good. Oh my god, so much cheese. Yeah.
Oh yeah, and we have a lot of food, so I'm only making 4.
Here's your test.
So I'm putting these back.
Test.
Okay, so these are the fries that John made.
Just the way. Come on, you gotta hurry
And
up.
I'm going to taste it. Yeah, I think you should make them a little less, though.
Yeah, I know.
A little less
I
dark.
overdid the first
Yeah.
time.
But pretty good
I'm learning.
for a beginner. Alright, so I'm putting those back. This is the dining table, by the way, and I made a mess. I shouldn't be doing this here.
That's perfect to do it over there. It's easy to clean up.
Okay.
These ones are better, look.
Yeah. Yeah, def. Alright, so, oh, I forgot to put cheese on these 2 little dinos.
Oh, thanks.
So, yeah. Dinos. Dino. Alright, that's enough cheese. So after that, I'm going to take these and put these in the oven. And I guess we'll see what comes out. Thank you. Did you turn it on?
Not yet.
since we're beginners, we don't preheat the oven.
Yeah, I never fucking preheat. You don't need to.
You don't need to, according to John. So now you guys know you don't have to preheat your oven.
But for these, you don't have to. Oh, my bad.
Can you open it, please? Now I'm putting the potatoes.
Check out my broke ass way of doing this. I'm putting them on the thing that protects you from the grease and just letting them slide off of it into the. Because look at how scary it is. Look at this. Look at how scary it is when they all go in. Ready? I don't know. Ow! Fuck! I don't know about you guys, but that shit is scary as hell for me. Ow! See, that's why it's scary. I'm getting fucking little pieces of grease are coming up and fucking stinging me. Feels like I got little bugs biting me.
You getting scored?
What did you say, girl?
You're getting acid burn.
Yeah, that's what you said. You don't eat too many because I'm gonna fuck
I was only, he called me fat. He said don't eat too many. Like I was gonna eat
come
all
on
of
now.
them. I was only gonna try one.
I did not call you fat, girl.
As you can see, this potato has a little weird shit on it that looks like a spider.
Oh. I wouldn't eat that. I know it's not a spider, but it.
So, yeah, I'm not gonna eat it.
Yeah, I was thinking about it, and I was gonna say.
Now you know.
I was gonna say people should comment in the comment section whether or not you're fat, because you like to think you're fat. But then again, I realized that everybody on YouTube is like a douche. I would probably just say you were fat. Just to say.
I don't think that should be in the video. But okay. So John is here making his fries.
Last batch.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm gonna put salt on them and.
Oh, where's my ice cream?
Bruh, I'm over here talking to you.
Okay.
Ice cream. That's not ice cream.
Whatever.
See, alright, so before I get into what I'm about to say, I'm going to explain to you you guys about how Cindy over here likes to call things by what they aren't. Okay, so this to her, give me that. This is ice cream. Right? Steak is chicken. I'm sorry, all kinds of meat are chicken. Everything that's not soda or water is juice. Right? What else? Do you have any other ones?
Potato.
Yeah, oh yeah, fries are potatoes. I mean, they are potatoes, but she doesn't call them french fries. She just calls them potatoes. Like, can I have a potato? Or can you get me a large potatoes from McDonald's? Crazy.
I don't say it like that.
When we go to Popeyes, you always say, can I get extra potatoes?
True.
Alright, so, my little secret recipe that I do with the fries, I'll do it only on this plate so you can taste test it first.
Cheese?
You're not recording anything. No, I did not put cheese. We can put cheese too. But I put salt and crushed red pepper on them, and it's really good. I'll be right back.
Okay. And Goliath. He's a scavenger.
Good puppy.
The scavenger.
He is the scavenger. He is a very, very scavenger little dog.
He's gonna stay here until we're done. And then he's gonna follow us because he's gonna want some.
Crushed red pepper and salt. Just try it. It's gonna be spicy. Just put some videotape yourself trying it. You know, like.
So this is John's final product. And
Even though she didn't like the crushed red pepper fries with salt,
yeah,
she loved them cheese fries.
the cheese ones.
Ooh.
Oh
Damn, Ma.
my god.
Damn, Ma.
You guys are jealous because this is good.
Chef John with the pot, boy. Ooh. Great.
Yeah, look at all this cheese and potato.
Look at all this cheese. Potato.
Mm.
What the?
It's so good. I can't stop eating it. It's actually really, really good. Can we put more cheese on there, please?
You have to let it melt.
I don't even have to let it melt.
Stop gassing me up.
It's really good. No more. Yum, yum.
She's obsessed with cheese. Well, I should say we're obsessed with cheese.
Yeah, that's good enough. Oh, wait, let me check here. Take over.
Squad.
So show them the...
This is the... Alright, open it.
So I'm going to show you guys what's inside the oven. Not a baby.
Oh, damn. Bro. Oh, the cheese is not nice on them.
Oh, but... Oh, I
you know
think
what
they're
I just
ready.
realized? We
'Cause they're
can't
burning.
flip them.
Whatever. I
Fuck.
think they're done because the cheese looks burnt.
Yeah, yeah, they are done. There's burnt or brown
Yeah,
corners.
yeah.
Get them.
Where's the
Oven mitt bottom.
Here?
Yep. Right there. Are you serious? Oh my god. Get the fucking things out of there. Crazy.
But you have to show it. You used to stand up there.
She knows she's pretty, that's the thing.
Stop. So, the potato ones didn't really
No, they're not done yet,
that
but damn.
burnt.
It's still gonna be good.
Cheese. Probably. But, oh!
What?
Where do I put it?
Your reactions.
Oh, shit.
Your reactions are too much.
Woo. Wait, I need to put some. Can I put it here?
Yeah.
Alright, please don't burn yourself.
You don't burn yourself.
Alright, I have to put these up.
No. Oh, yeah.
So they're closer.
to the fire. You right.
Okay.
Bruh.
I did it.
Press chicken nuggets again. And then press start and set. Over there. The bottom right. There you go. Alright, so they're going again. I'll take this.
Alright, so I know the chicken nuggets look a little burnt, but we gonna try them. Oh, the cheese. I wish the cheese wasn't burnt.
Oh, this bacon smells good though.
Alright,
Oh my god.
this is what came out.
Wow.
Is good?
Mm-hmm.
Am I gonna
I'm
like
gonna
it?
put more cheese on it. It's so good. Oh, really good. I'm gonna put more
The crunchy cheese is pretty good, but yeah, put more cheese.
That it melts on there. Doing your little dances.
But don't worry, guys, because John has a lot of cheese in his fridge.
Yeah, like a lot. I always got cheese.
You always have to have cheese. He has all types of cheese. Like, you open it, you can find blue cheese.
This is literally Mexican.
You can find provolone. You can find
4 cheese. It's got different 4 Mexican cheeses in there.
Mexican cheeses all the way from Mexico.
That's what happens when you're Italian.
El cartel brought that.
Yeah, whatever that means. El cartel is a cartel. Yeah. El Chapo dropped this off in my house.
Exactly. That's how you get all your
Yeah.
cheese nowadays. And our go-to drink is... What's our go-to drink?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Either grape this, Minute Maid, or fruit punch is our go-to. And
Very
I'm always
unhealthy.
the type to be like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and then I do the same thing because he taught me.
Alright, so I'll be back to my fries. 'Cause I'm hungry.
Grape juice. Oh my god, I just noticed the hearts on the window. Oh my god. They're so good. Here.
I have to clean up the fried stuff here.
What you doing? Why are you making a weird sound? Wait, when I press pizza, ow, the bottom.
No, you could just.
Right, so we're gonna check on the potatoes. Right, John?
Yeah.
It smells burnt. Alright, yeah, they're ready. It smells burnt. Oh my god.
smoking. Well, that's burning. That's this. The burnt smell is that little piece of
Alright, well,
cheese right there.
I'm gonna flip these over and
You won't.
see what.
Oh, they're gonna be stuck to the. Oh.
Excuse me.
What the fuck was that?
I don't know. Touch it. Is it ready? It's kind of hard.
The
Shouldn't it be
potato is
softer?
hard. Yeah, that should be. These suck. They're so hard to make. I feel.
Well, this one.
You know what we should have done?
Look, this one's perfect. Touch this one.
Read the directions. Oh yeah, that is perfect. No, we don't read directions.
This one's good too.
Yeah, that's a good one.
It's just
So
this
just
one's
take the
good
bad
too.
ones off.
This is the bad one because it's just too fast, so it didn't.
Yeah, it's got a lot of potato to cook.
Well, this is a little burnt
Yeah.
here, but it's good. The inside is good.
Take the good ones and put them on his plate.
Okay, this is good. This is good. That looks good. This is good. This one's stuck. This one's actually stuck. So you know what? I'm gonna try to scoop some of that cheese out and put it back. Alright, that's all like best I could do. And then you grab this.
Yeah, you won't.
You eat it. Like Asian noodles.
Ramen noodles?
Any Asian noodle.
You're an Asian noodle.
Alright,
You're a
should I put
Hispanic
it back?
noodle.
Should I put this one or throw it out? Are we gonna try it? We gonna
It's
throw
up
it
to
out?
you.
I kinda wanna.
I'm not racist, by the way. Obviously.
I just wanna eat the cheese. Oh, this one isn't even close to ready.
They're bacon and cheese on the
This is just this part is
Oh,
good.
you won't. Yeah. Shit. Yeah, you eat that cheese and bacon. Oh,
Should I throw it out or put it?
Damn.
Or should I just put it back in the bag?
Do what you want. Well, what the fuck is wrong with you?
No one would notice. It's technically, look, no one would even notice.
Yeah. You know what? I want to talk about something real quick. I'm gonna over here. If you
Can I
come,
put it back in the bag now?
don't put it back in the bag. Throw it out or something. All right. So, I have this lighter, right? Bought it from Walmart, and it's lighter here. You know what? Let me get one of the not shit ones. I mean, it's still shit, but let me get one of the not broken ones. All right, so this is the pack that it came in, right? It's got, obviously it has the metal on the top, like any fucking lighter ever, right? It's got the normal metal on it, and yeah. So we bought cheap lighters because we were using it for an experiment, and this one right here decided. Well, first I was lighting it with my thumb, like any other person would light a lighter. Then I said I kind of want to do it with my index finger just to try it, right? So then this happened. I don't know if you can see that. It wanted to. It's not focusing. Focus. Anyway, it's a burn, as you can see, because this shit exploded. You heard that? You heard the bubble in my throat? It was like, blah, blah, blah. So this shit exploded, and it melted the plastic, and the plastic, what?
There was a bubble in your throat.
Yeah, it was like,
Yeah, I can imagine that.
So the plastic melted on my finger. Literally, like, this thing is so fucking bad at focusing. Ah! Focus. I'm not messing the video up. I'm like vlogging in the middle of it. So, anyway, this shit does not want to focus for some reason. So, yeah, this is the melted plastic that melted on my finger. And left me a blister.
Good.
Fuck you. Can you turn the camera around while you're... No, you can't. That's gay. Alright, so this is how you take store-bought frozen foods and you make them into a fine cuisine. It looks all nice, and we got drinks and stuff on the table mat, and she's eating. Yeah, you won't. Oh, shit. How was it? And there he is. What did we say? Yeah, you little fucker. You won't.
I already gave him some, so
That's why.
you can't give him any more. I gave him too much. So yeah. Cheers.
You just drink my soda. Girl.